Brad of AAA. I'm going to go over this auto R with you. I know we talked on the phone about having some issues, exactly how to sew it. So I'm going to go over real quick. I already sewed this one tarp, or started this tarp. We're going to go over it again. I already explained to you, 9'6" is your raw cut. You got 2-inch hems on both sides. So eventually it ends up 9'2". That's after your hem. You put your reinforcement on, 6-foot reinforcement. You lock it down. We locked it down with webbing. Done. Now I already got it cut out. I'm gonna go over real quick how it is cut out. You'll have your 9'2", it basically come down to here. From that edge of on the edge of the rear of the tarp, you go over 7 inches, mark it, go up 3, over 7, up 3, over 4. And then you'll make a cut all the way up to the very edge of the reinforcement, roughly 6 foot. So you're basically just gonna cut out right here, all the way up, over 7, up 3, over 4. And that's on both sides of the rear. If you wanna take a look at the rear over here, this is after it's on. I'm gonna show you how it's on, but this is what it's gonna look like. The issue you were having was a 4-inch lock to help with the deployment of the flaps. That's right there. But I'm gonna go over it with you so you won't be too confused, okay? After you make that cutout, you're gonna bring it up to the sewing machine. You're gonna fold this over just where you cut it off at, 2 inches. You're gonna start a stitch. You're gonna lock it down right there. You're gonna go all the way down 2 inches, all the way down. All the way like this. It's going to be a 2-inch fold, and it's going to look just like that when I'm finished it. Now the part that you was not understanding on the phone, I'm going to show you right now. From the edge of this cut right here, you're going to mark 28 inches. This is what I was explaining to you on the diagram. It is listed on the diagram, 28 inches. You're going to fold this over to where it's even with this, and that cutout equals 8 foot. You're gonna have 8 foot on the front and the rear. You're gonna roughly 4 inches, 4 fingers spread out, 4 inches. And you're gonna fold it just like that. It's leveled up right here. 4 inch to that 28-inch mark. You're gonna pull it under the machine. This helps with the deployment of the actual flaps. This is why we lock it down right here. See how it's level right here? It's going to eventually be 8 foot, but the flap's going to unfold out to 9'2". That is how you get your 28-inch, 4-inch fold. Eventually equals 2-inch fold over here, but it's a 4-inch fold. It's a 28-inch mark. That's all you do on that. Now we'll go to the pocket side. I've already done, after the hem, I've already made the cutout. I'll show you the cutout. Same concept. You're gonna have your raw 2-inch, your 9'2" raw with the hem originally. It's gonna come all the way up. You're gonna go over 7 inches, up 16 for the pocket. We went over the pocket. It's gonna be 8 inches, pretty much a 6-inch pocket with a 2-inch stitch. You double that up, you got 16 inches. So therefore, we go over 7, up 16, over 4, and then cut at a diagonal all the way to the end of the reinforcement. Now I've already stitched the 2-inch fold all the way down to the reinforcement. That part's done. I'm going to show you the rest of it. Now inside the pocket, do our webbing. I'll show you finish when it's done. If you want to show them the finish, that's what it looks like when it's finished. There's all gear shown inside the webbing. You got your 3-inch wear pad that we explained. It's 10 inches, 3-inch cargo wear pad. Anyways, I got my mark of roughly 8.5 to 9 inches. You want to put your dog gear behind it. You got the mark. You can put the dog gear sitting right behind it. So when it folds over, dog gear won't be out on the actual fold. It'll be inside the pocket. You'll lock it down. You'll cut it off. Luckily I had one. And then you're going to do the same concept we did on the rear. You're going to do a little fold. You're going to lay your wear pad right there, right on the end, right where the webbing stops or the pocket ends right here. Wear pad over the top. Now you're going to fold it over to where that 28-inch mark is, we explained. You're going to fold that, it's going to be roughly 4 inches. So that's what he's talking about, 4 inches. I hold it just like this. Put it down. You don't want to stitch any further. You already got the fold that helps with this fold right here is what really helps with the deployment when they unroll it on the truck. So that fold, there's your hem, that's that 2-inch fold, there's your 4-inch fold. That's all there is to the rear, or the pocket and the rear. Then basically all you do from there is lock down your pocket, which I'm gonna go ahead and do since it's already ready. Lay it out and you'll see how it looks. Now if you take a look at this and pull up your diagram, and you'll see exactly, you'll have that 28-inch mark we talked about. You'll have your 3-inch wear pad, which is 10 to 12 inches. Your pocket close, your dog ear, which gets 2 grommets. Both sides exactly the same. See with the fold, how it folds. If you folded it all the way through, that would equal basically 8 foot, and then the flap comes out. This is what helps with that deployment. That's why we have the 2 folds. And on the rear, same thing. We went over the cuts. I'm not going to actually stitch it, but you have a 28-inch mark. You did your other fold. All you're going to do is do 2-inch fold with webbing, and that'll be the rear. That's all you do on the rear. That's your auto art or auto 92 by 28. That's it.